Dialed. AI Pep Talks has just dropped, and if you're curious about what it can do, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. So whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, stick around to find out why this one's getting so much buzz. By the end, you'll know whether it's the right fit for your needs. And if you want to try it for free, check the first link below in the description. Let's jump right in. First off, Dialed. AI Pep Talks is all about boosting your motivation and productivity. Whether you're working on a big project, need a little push, or just feel stuck, this software uses AI to provide personalized pep talks. It's like having your own digital coach who's always ready to remind you of your potential and get you back on track. If you've ever felt like you needed a virtual cheerleader, this is your chance. What sets this AI apart from others is how customizable it is. You can adjust the tone, style, and even the intensity of the pep talks. Whether you want a calm, reassuring voice or an energetic, hype you up kind of pep talk, Dialed can adapt to what you need at any given moment. This flexibility is huge, especially for those who are working under pressure or have different moods throughout their day. Another thing I really like about Dialed is how it incorporates data into its pep talks. The software can analyze your productivity patterns and make suggestions based on your habits. It's not just a random motivational quote or a generic speech, it's a tailored experience designed to speak to your specific needs and goals. For example, if you're slacking off or getting distracted, Dialed will remind you of your past successes and gently push you back into action. Now let's talk about accessibility. Dialed is extremely user-friendly. It has a simple interface that anyone, even a complete beginner, can pick up and use right away. There's no steep learning curve, which is perfect for busy professionals who don't have time to fiddle around with complex settings. It's fast, intuitive, and gets to the point, just like the pep talks themselves. And for those of you who are all about efficiency, this tool integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms. Whether you're managing a project in Trello, Google Docs, or your calendar app, Dialed syncs effortlessly with your existing workflow, helping you stay on task without switching between apps or wasting time. But here's something you probably didn't expect. Dialed also has a gamified element. As you complete tasks and hit your productivity goals, you earn rewards. These rewards can range from simple congratulatory messages to custom badges, and they even have progress tracking to keep you motivated. It's like combining a virtual personal coach with a game, making every task feel like a win. Before you think it's all about just motivational talks, let me tell you that Dialed also offers coaching for mindset growth. It'll guide you through overcoming procrastination, breaking through mental barriers, and even shifting your mindset from negativity to positivity. In other words, it's more than just a pep talk, it's a tool designed for long-term personal growth and success. Lastly, if you're wondering whether it's really worth your time or if it's just another gimmick, I can assure you that Dialed AI Pep Talks is the real deal. You can try it for completely free. That's right, no strings attached. Click the first link in the description to check it out. After trying thousands of AI tools, this one stands out in terms of usability, customization, and real-world impact. To wrap it up, if you want an AI tool that's not only motivational but also productive, actionable, and incredibly user-friendly, Dialed AI Pep Talks might be just what you need. As always, I've included my recommended AI software list in the description below. After testing tons of these tools, these are the ones that made the cut. Don't forget to check the free trials and let me know your thoughts in the comments.